Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit photo using YouCam Perfect application on your mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you have to install this YouCam Perfect application on your mobile phone. And after you have installed this application, you can open it. And after that, you will be able to use the editing tools in the YouCam Perfect application. You can go to the photo edit and choose the photo you want to edit from your gallery. For example, I'm just going to select this folder and I'm going to edit this photo. Okay, wait guys. Okay, and as you can see, there are a lot of tools right here we can use to edit our photo. For example, if you want to remove the background of your photo, you can click on the cut out option right here. Okay, and you can cut it manually or you can use the AI. If you want to use the AI, you just need to click on this AI. You can also activate the smart brush. But if you want to manually remove your background, you can select this eraser. And I'm just going to use the smart brush. So I'm going to click on the check mark. And as you can see that the background has been removed. And I'm going to replace this background. Go to the background option if you want to replace the background of your photo. And wait guys, I'm going to choose the classic background. I'm gonna go with this one for example. Right, I'm going to select this one. You have to download the background before you apply it to your photo. Okay, and I'm going to adjust my photo. Okay, like this. And this is the result. As you can see that the background has been changed. You can also go to the adjustment if you want to adjust the brightness, the contrast, exposure, and it's up to you. And I'm just going to reduce the light. If you want to change the saturation, just go to the saturation. Okay, and I'm going to use magic brush for my photo. If you want to add magical touch to your photo, just go to the magic brush. And I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, and I'm just going to add the magic brush like this. I'm going to add this one as well. Okay. Okay guys, and that is how basically we can use YouCam at Perfect application to edit our photo. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.